Hi everyone. Now see the next practical experiment is the superposition theorem. Okay. Firstly, we have explained the total chart of this experiment. Okay. So the firstly aim of this experiment is to verify the superposition theorem. Okay. That means in this experiment I have verified the superposition theorem. Okay. And by using these experiments use the different parameters or apparatus or different electronic components used in our experiment. Here used the different values of the resistors, then power supply, then current meter and voltmeter. So here observe the current as well as the voltage by using the current meter and voltmeter. These are the different apparatus of this experiment. Then statement. Okay, here superposition theorem statement is the superposition theorem states that if any linear bilateral network consisting of more than one energy sources, then the current flowing through each branch is the algebraic sum of all current flowing through same due to individual sources. Okay, this is the statement of superposition theorem. And this superposition theorem statement is verified in our experiment. Okay, then see the circuit diagram. Here in circuit diagram three figures are different. In figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. See the first figure. Here see the first figure. Here connected 680 ohm two resistors which are connected in a series. Okay, here one power supply is here connected Phi1. That means the Phi1 voltage is applied in this figure 1 circuit diagram. Phi1 is equal to 7 volt. Apply the 7 volt in Phi1. And here A to B point. See here the A to B point. In between the A to B point connected one load resistor RL. Okay, here connect the two different loads. That means the two different values of the resistors. And this resistor is the here used in a load resistor. Okay, in our circuit diagram. So here connected load resistor, and between the load resistor and a point here measure the current, that means the IL, and here current meter is used in a 0 to 100 milliammeter. Okay, and A to B point here second 680 ohm resistor, second resistor which are shortly connected in a B point. Okay, so here apply the only one voltage. Phi1 is equal to 7 volt. Oh, okay, and across the A to B point across measure the voltage, that means the A to B point voltage. See, this is the figure 1. Then figure 2. Here see in this figure 2 circuit connection 680 ohm two resistor which are connected in a series. Okay, but here first resistor 680 first resistor is shortly connected to the B point. Okay, and same that of first figure, here connected load resistor, and between load resistor connected A point is we have observed the current used IL current meter 0 to 100 milliammeter, and across the A to B point we have observed the voltage. Okay, but here in 680 ohm resistor connected Phi2 voltage. Okay, Phi2 voltage is the 5 volt. That means in the figure first Phi1 is the 7 volt, Phi2 is the 0. That means the here do not apply the any voltage, here short circuit. Okay, and then second figure Phi1 is not applied, that means the short circuit. That means the Phi1 is equal to 0 and Phi2 is the 5 volt. Okay, got it all of you? Two figures. Here see the third figure, figure 3. Okay, here apply the V1 is equal to 7 volt and V2 is equal to 5 volt. Okay, and same that of two figures, figure 1 and figure 2. Here connected 680 ohm resistors, two resistors which are connected in series. Here A to B point used a load resistor, okay, RL, and observe the current in here used 0 to 100 millimeter current meter, and observe the A to B point voltage, okay, in figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. okay, got it all of you? three figures in circuit diagram. आपण प्रॅक्टिकल लाईन लॅबोरेटरीमध्ये सेपरेटली 3 कनेक्शन करणार आहोत आणि तिन्ही कनेक्शन मधून काय करणार, करंट अँड व्होल्टेज आपण ऑब्झर्व करणार. इन सिम्पली फर्स्ट फिगरमध्ये आपण काय केलेलं आहे, V1 हे व्होल्टेज अप्लाय केलं आहे, V2 हे 0 दॅट मीन्स द शॉर्ट केलेलं आहे. ओके, V1 हे 7 व्होल्ट अप्लाय केलेले. इन सेकंड फिगरमध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, ऑल कनेक्शन सेम आहे, फक्त अप्लाय करतोय ते व्होल्टेज कसं करतोय, डिफरंट करतोय. सेकंड फिगरमध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, V1 व्होल्टेज हे 0 दॅट मीन्स द शॉर्ट केलेलं आहे, आणि V2 व्होल्टेज हे 5 व्होल्ट अप्लाय केलेलं आहे. ओके, and in third figure here apply the both voltages V1 as well as V2. V1 is the apply the 7 volt, V2 is apply the 5 volt. Okay, then see the second observation table. Here in observation table load resistance RL, here apply the load resistor in figure 3, connected different values of the resistors. Here 1 kilo ohm resistor and 680 ohm resistor. These both two resistors which are connected in circuit diagram in figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. okay, that means the load resistance. okay, see here first when voltage is V1 is equal to 7, V2 is equal to 0, that means the figure 1. figure 1 मध्ये आपण जे व्होल्टेज ऑब्झर्व करणार आहोत, ओके, V1 is equal to 7, V2 is equal to 0. so observe A to B voltage, that means the phi A B in volt. Note down the when apply the 1 kilo ohm resistor and when apply the 680 ohm resistor. In this time current I is measured in milliammeter. okay, when apply the 1 kilo ohm resistor and 680 ohm resistor. In this way, when second figure, when voltage V1 is equal to 0, V2 is equal to 5 volt. okay, in this second figure here observe the A to B voltage and current is I. okay, then when voltage is V1 is equal to 7, V2 is equal to 5 volt, that means the figure 3. okay, in the figure 3 V1 and V2 voltage, both voltages are applied. Then we have observed the voltage V and current is high. okay, then calculated voltage and current. Here calculated voltage and current, that means here in first two figures, when the voltage V1 is equal to 7, V2 is equal to 0, when voltage V1 is equal to 0, V2 is equal to 5. okay, here calculated voltage V dash, V double dash. See in our observation table calculated voltage and current, V is equal to V dash plus V double dash. जे आपण ऑब्झर्व केलेलं व्होल्टेज असेल V डॅश आणि V डबल डॅश, ते आपण ॲडिशन करणार आहोत दोन्ही व्होल्टेजची, ते आलेले व्होल्टेज इथं नोट डाऊन करणार आहोत. सेम दॅट ऑफ दी करंट. ओके, मग ह्या ऑब्झर्वेशनमधून आपण टॅली काय करणार आहोत, तर आपण in figure 3 when voltage is V1 is equal to 7 volt and V2 is equal to 5 volt, that means the phi. okay, and here calculated phi, then current I and calculated current I, both voltages and currents are same. okay, दोन्ही व्होल्टेज कसे आले पाहिजे, तो व्होल्टेज अँड करंट, ऑब्झर्व व्होल्टेज अँड कॅल्क्युलेटेड व्होल्टेज, ऑब्झर्व करंट अँड कॅल्क्युलेटेड करंट, हे दोन्ही कसं आलं पाहिजे, जवळपास किंवा सेम आलं पाहिजे. ते आपण काय करणार, त्याच्यामध्ये टॅली करणार. ओके, देन इन आवर चार्ट सेकंड प्रोसिजर. ओके, हा एक्सपेरिमेंट कसा करायचा, तर त्याची प्रोसिजर दिलेली आहे बघा. फर्स्ट प्रोसिजर इज कनेक्ट द सर्किट ॲज शोन इन सर्किट डायग्राम. फर्स्ट गेट इट चेक. देन प्रोसिजर सेकंड, set the value of supply voltage V1 to 7 volt and supply V2 to 0 volt, that means the short the port 2. okay, then measured A, the voltage across terminal A and B, which is V dash. okay, and the current through load resistance, which is I dash. Note down the observation. okay, then connect the circuit as shown in circuit diagram 2 and get it check. Set the value of supply voltage V1 to 0 volt, that means the short the port 1 and supply V2 to 5 volt. Then measure A, the voltage across terminal A and B, which is V double dash. Okay, and the current through load resistance, which is I double dash. Note down the observation. Okay, same that of the connect the circuit as shown in the circuit diagram 3, that means the figure 3. Get it check. Now set the value of supply voltage V1 to 7 volt and V2 to 5 volt. Measure the voltage across terminal A and B, and which is phi, capital phi, and the current through load resistance, which is I, that means the capital I. Note down the observations. Okay, then repeat above step for the another load resistor. Okay, म्हणजे 1 किलो ओहम रेजिस्टर लोड दिल्यानंतर आपण व्होल्टेज आणि करंट मेजर करणार आहे. सेम तीच प्रोसेस आपण लोड 680 ओहमचा रेजिस्टर कनेक्ट केल्यानंतर व्होल्टेज आणि करंट मेजर करणार आहे. ओके, म्हणजे ती स्टेप आपण दोन्ही लोडच्या वेळी ऑब्झर्व करणार आहे. ओके, देन कम्पेअर द कॅल्क्युलेटेड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ व्होल्टेज अँड करंट विथ ऑब्झर्व व्हॅल्यू अँड व्हेरीफाय द थेरम. ओके, म्हणजे आपण कंपॅरिझन काय करणार आहे तर ऑब्झर्व केलेलं व्होल्टेज अँड करंट अँड कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं व्होल्टेज अँड करंट दोन्ही आपण कम्पेअर करून हा जो सुपरपोजिशन थेरम आहे तो आपण काय करणार आहोत तर व्हेरीफाय करणार आहोत. ओके, देन रिझल्ट ऑफ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट इज फ्रॉम ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल इट इज सीन दॅट द कॅल्क्युलेटेड व्होल्टेज अँड करंट is same as the algebraic sum of all voltages produced by single source while replacing the other source with its internal resistance. Okay, in this way in our experiment is verified. Okay, हे काय झालं आपलं टोटली चार्ट एक्सप्लेन करून झालेलं आहे. आपण इन सेकंड लेक्चर वी हॅव डन इन आवर लॅबोरेटरी these experiments. Okay, got it all of you, and thank you all of you. Stop here.